how am I meant to make coffee?
I am the boss, Steve. And if I say that that coffee machine is for the management only, it means you cannot use it. So please stop asking silly questions and get back to work. Okay, all right. All right, listen up. Everybody. After dinner, I have a very important announcement, all right? This goes for you too, Steven.
You took my cup.
What? Are you kidding me, right? This is a joke.
Why that?
What do you mean, why? I just drunk from this dirty mug because of you. Oh, God. Unbelievable.
Andrew, this mug is clean, okay? I always wash it before I use it.
Oh, you do, huh?
Yeah.
Well, how to put this? It doesn't really